Hello and welcome to the Cloud Computing School YouTube channel. In this how-to video, we will show you how to delete a user from a Microsoft 365 tenant via the Admin Center portal and via the msonline Powershell module. Option 1, via the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. To delete a user from a Microsoft 365 tenant via the Admin Center portal, go through the following steps. 1. Navigate with your web browser to https://admin.microsoft.com. 2. On the left pane, click on Users, then click Active Users. 3. Under the Active Users section on the main area, tick the checkboxes next to all users which you would like to delete and click Delete Users. 4. The deleted users are kept for 30 days in the Deleted Users container. If you need to restore any of the users within this 30-day period, navigate to the Deleted Users section, tick the checkbox next to the users you wish to restore and click Restore User. Please note that there is no option to permanently delete a user account from the Microsoft 365 Admin Center portal. Option 2, via the msonline Powershell module. To delete a user from a Microsoft 365 via the msonline Powershell module, go through the following steps. 1. In an elevated Powershell terminal, install and import the msonline and Azure AD Powershell modules. Bear in mind that the Microsoft Graph PowerShell SDK is the replacement for the Azure AD PowerShell module and is recommended for interacting with Azure AD. The Microsoft Graph API includes, in addition to Azure AD, APIs from other Microsoft services like SharePoint, Exchange, Outlook, etc., all accessed through a single endpoint with a single access token. Azure AD Graph PowerShell is based on Azure AD Graph, which is deprecated. Two. Run the following commands in an elevated PowerShell terminal. Connect msonline service. Get msonline user. Hashtag return all deleted users. Get msonline user return deleted users. Hashtag restore an individual user. Restore msonline user principal name, UPN. Hashtag permanently remove a deleted user from the recycle bin. Get MSL user return deleted users user principal name, UPN, removed MSL user removed from recycle bin force. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the Cloud Computing YouTube channel to be notified of upcoming how-to videos.